In a world where innovation and excellence converge, behold the unmatched achievements of Umer Group of Companies. This company has been a pioneer in Pakistan textile industry, setting new standards of excellence and innovation. Now, in a transformative collaboration, Umer Group has partnered with DSG Energy to install a cutting-edge 3 megawatt solar system.
There were a couple of reasons why Umer Group thought, we would introduce solar to our energy mix. I would recommend other industries to switch to solar. We really need renewable solutions to bring down the cost of productions and reduce our import bill.
If we want to go into green farming, that means that if whatever comes in the farm stays in the farm. So from an energy perspective, we want to use solar. The main goal is to be sustainable in the coming future. We are now at 2 megawatt producing from solar, and I think that DSG is a very professional company. We started off and we had a target of getting this done. We've done business with other companies and I felt that DSG is a bit more professional.
DSG के साथ experience बहुत अच्छा रहा. Initially, it was a new experience. Keeping in view the experience with DSG, हमारा textile में उनका experience उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा रहा. Timelines definitely वो जो भी थी वो बड़े अच्छे तरीके से meet की, हमारी requirements को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से meet किया. They are very cooperative and very phenomenal.
हमारा इनसे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा. हमने इनसे 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, टेक्सटाइल में और एक अपने डेयरी फार्म में. तो इट वाज 3 मेगावाट ऑन अ होल प्रोजेक्ट. एज एनर्जी प्राइसेस आर गोइंग हाई एंड हाई, so it is very important that we should include renewable energy in our energy mix.
It was an immense pleasure to work on the solar projects of Umer Group, one of the biggest group in Pakistan and very forward looking for the solar energy. And हमें बहुत खुशी है and we would like to thank Umer Group कि उन्होंने हमें मौका दिया उनका energy partners बनने में, और हम इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में भी इसी तरह प्रोजेक्ट्स डिलीवर करते रहेंगे.